obviously for cleaning up the prunings, but for disease maintenance. You know, we've had a lot of black spot pressure in the past few years, so to get rid of all the leaves and all the other debris within the trees, really important. A good orchard husbandry, so a clean grass sward is really important. That's where we have an awful lot of issues, residual issues from the season before. So starting off the season before the trees become in flower, it's really important to have a very clean orchard, which minimises your black spot pressure for the season. You know, the biggest challenge we have is labour in our business, so any machine that we can utilise that creates efficiency and productivity in our business is really important. You know, we're running 38 canopy hectares with 4 different tree sizes, and so having the hydraulic sweeper that we can just set up at the start of the season, we can go in and out of each block with minimal change, with no change, by literally turning the corner with the hydraulic ram. Has made it incredibly quick, made it incredibly easy. It makes the turnaround time a lot quicker. So a really important part of our business. It does an awful lot of work for us and very reliable. So we're very happy with it. On this orchard in particular, we have some irrigation lines. And quite often we have inspection channels for irrigation. The beauty of this machine is once you're set up, you can go down the middle of the road, and instead of having to actively drive, you've got the hydraulic ram to go in and out should you need it. One of the great things with this machine is you've got quite a small actual base here, so you can get awfully close to the tree so you have an overlap. So there's not a line left within the trees themselves. You actually, from each side, you get 98% of all the leaf litter in the branches. We're changing a lot of the densities of what we're planting, so some of these really big trees, because of labour, we have to really prune hard so we can focus on effective harvesting or what have you. This machine will sweep out anything 3-inch diameter, not a problem. Often we're constrained by our mulcher, but not the sweeper. This will do any size, works really well. And having the hydraulic system, if you see anything that's stuck in the row, you can sweep it in and pull it out really easy. Well, the whole thing, what we're always looking for is efficiencies. You can bring us machinery that brings us efficiencies. You know, the cost of fuel, labour, everything. We want to be doing one pass and doing multiple different things at one time. And this is why we've got this set up. We don't want to sweep and then come back and mulch. We want to do it all at one time and keep moving. Well, not often, not many orchards would have it like this, but this existing orchard has the irrigation lines in it. So you've got to be a bit cunning and a bit aware, but you can't beat this machine because of the hydraulic one. You can, from the tractor seat, you can move when you need to. Any other that's a fixed system that doesn't have the hydraulic ram, you would be constantly doing this and you'd be hitting the branches. It means you have to get on and off, which means stops. It means a health and safety thing. So this unit, you're just sitting here. You can work at pretty good speeds. We've got a very big mulcher on the back running at 540 RPM, and we can still do 3 to 4 to 5 Ks an hour, and this thing will keep up no problem. Yeah, absolutely. If Landquip, a great service, these things are really reliable and makes your job a whole lot easier.